So hello everyone, welcome back to the mathematics class. So today students, in this video we are going to learn the conversions of percentage, like how to convert the fractions into percent, how to convert the mixed fractions, mixed numbers into percentage, and how to convert the decimal numbers into percentage. So okay, let's begin. As you know, the percentage is a special fraction. It is a special fraction. The percentage says that this sign, this percent says that per hundred. This means per hundred. For example, if we have 47% is simply another way of writing 47 upon 100. Okay, as in a fraction, 47 upon 100 we can write down. So this percentage basically means as per 100. Okay, that means we are dividing that particular number by 100. So basically there are three types of conversions of fractions into percentage. The first type says that when denominator of a fraction is 100. Okay, so we have to do, to write a fraction as a percentage, you simply remove 100 and put percentage sign like this. Like 24 upon 100 can be written as 24%. That means you have to remove this per and this 100, and you can simply write down the percentage sign with the number. Examples, like you can almost see 100 in the percent sign. See, as you can see, this 100, this percent sign, this is 1 and these two are two zeros. You can relate it to percent symbol as 100. For example, some few examples have been given. If we are writing 7 upon 100, so we can simply write down 7%. If we are writing 19 upon 100, we are writing 19%. If we are writing 83 upon 100, that is 83%. So just simply we have removed per 100 and we have put the percentage sign. Now there are some examples for you, some questions for you. So you can take the screenshot of this and then you can solve it for your practice, that how we can convert these kind of fraction into percentage simply. Okay, now the second type, when the denominator of a fraction is a factor of 100. That means like this, we have some examples like 7 upon 10. So 10 is a factor of 100. 13 upon 25, 25 is also a factor of 100. That means if we divide 100 by 10, it is completely divisible. If we divide 100 by 25, it is completely divisible. So if we have fractions like this, so what we need to do to write a fraction as a percentage, change the fraction into equivalent fraction of the denominator 100. What we need to do, we can make it equivalent fraction of 100. Like we have 7 upon 10. Okay, so for making this 10 as 100, I require a 10. When I multiply 10 multiply by 10, I will get 100. Similarly, if we are multiplying any number with the denominator, we have to do same as with the numerator also. So when we are multiplying by 10, so we will multiply the numerator also by 10. So 7 tens are 70. Okay, so and you know that if we have like this fraction 70 upon 100, so per 100 we can remove and we can make a percent sign like this, 70%. Fine. Next is 13 upon 25. Here also 25 can be converted into 100 by multiplying by 4. 25 4 is a 100. So we are multiplying the denominator by 4. So we will multiply the numerator also by 4. So 13 4 is 52. So it will be 52% because we are removing this per 100 and we are replacing it by percent sign. Type 3, when denominator of a fraction is not the factor of 100, then what we will do? Because then that one we have just multiplied, we have made it equivalent fraction to 100 denominator and then we have done. But when there is no factor of 100, then what we have to do? In this case, to write a fraction as a percentage, multiply the fraction by 100 and add the percent sign. Okay, we need to multiply the fraction by 100 and we need to add the percent sign. So like this, these are the numbers. So 6 is not completely dividing 100, 40 is also not completely dividing 100. So these are this type of question, that how to solve these type of fractions into percentage. Let us see. When we have 15 upon 6, so what it is written here, multiply the fraction by 100. So I'm multiplying the fraction by 100 and I can simply cross it like 2 3 is 6, 2 50 is 100. Fine. Now It is not divisible by that, so we can see here also it is 15. 15, yes, it is divisible by 15. 3 ones are and 3 fives are. Now in the last we will be left with 5 multiplied by 50. So answer has become 5 fives are 25, 250 percentage. Okay, so like this we need to do it. Let us see one more example. It is 14 upon 40 and I am multiplying it by 100. So I can do like this. 1 0 can be cancelled by this. 2 2s are 2 5s are. Here also 2 1s are and 2 7s are. So we are left with nothing is there in the denominator. We are left with 7 and 5 in the numerator part. So it will be 7 multiplied by 5 is equals to 35. So answer is 35%. Okay, it is 35%. Now next part is when we have to convert the mixed numbers into percentage. So how we have to do? To write a mixed number as a percentage, first convert the mixed number into fraction. You all know we have done in the fraction chapter that how to convert the mixed number into the fraction form, improper form. Then we need to multiply the fraction by 100 and then add the percentage sign, simply what we have done in the last way. So for this, first of all, I have converted 4 upon 3 into the improper fraction by multiplying this. See, we can multiply 3 fours are 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 upon 3 and then we have to multiply by 100. And as we know 3 is not divisible by 100. Sorry, 100 is not divisible by 3. So we can't do it. Even 13 is also can be divisible by 3. So what we are doing, we are just simply multiplying. 13 multiplied by 100 is 1300 upon 3. Fine, and then we can divide it. So we can divide it by the simple division method. Then we can write down in the mixed fraction itself, like it will be, if we divide 1300 by 3 we will get 433. 1 is the remainder and 3 is the quotient. So this is the answer for this 433, 1 upon 3 percentage. Or we can make it the answer in the decimal form also, 433.33 percentage. So this is the percentage for this. Let us see one more example. Here it is 3 by 2. I have converted this into the improper fraction by multiplying. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 upon 2 and we are multiplying by 100. And you can see now 2 can divide 100 completely. So we can cancel it out. 2 50s are. It will be 9 5s are 45 and 0. 450 percentage. Okay students. Now the last type, how to convert the decimal number into percentage. So for this also, decimal number are these numbers like 3.8, 2.75. To write a decimal number as a percentage, first convert the decimal number into the fraction. Decimal number into the fraction. And we know we have done in the decimal chapter that how to convert the decimal into fraction. First we can convert it and then simply follow the same process, like we will multiply by 100 and then we have to add the percentage symbol. So how we have done it, it is 3.8. Okay, we have already discussed this, that how to convert it. We can remove this decimal and below it we can write down, in place of decimal we can write down 1. And how many digits are there? There is only one digit, so I have marked only 10 over here. So now this has become 38 upon 10. Then simply we will follow the same procedure. 10. Now 380 multiplied by 10 is, sorry, 38 multiplied by 10 is 380. And don't forget to make the percentage sign. So this is the answer for this 380 percentage. One more example. 275 can be written as fraction by removing this. Instead of removing 1, I am writing 1. And how many decimal places? 2. So 2 zeros will be placed. So now it has become this 275 upon 100. And then I have to multiply by 100. So 100 ones are 100. So answer will be simply 275%. Fine. So I hope children you all have understood all the conversions of the fractions, the decimal numbers, the mixed fractions into the percentage. And now you are able to do your book exercise 6.2 by taking the help of this video. So children, very soon we'll meet in the next video. Till then stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye. Thank you.